In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Xiaomi. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then clicking on additional settings. Following that, select languages and input, manage keyboards, and Gboard. Finally, hit theme and scroll down to see all available options. You can always click on Show More at the bottom right corners. When you find the best theme for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. In order to customize it though, go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, pick one of those sources, like gallery, or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those. I will go with downloads. Finally, after tapping on the photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. You can adjust brightness thanks to this slider by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!